how to remove all posts from bookmarks on X. Hey guys, if you have a lot of bookmarks on your Twitter or X and you want to remove all of them, it's really simple. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to the X application right here, or formerly known as Twitter. Once inside, you can just go ahead and navigate through your profile icon. And from here, you want to click on the bookmarks category. So instead of clicking this 3 dots at the corner of each post, you can instead just go ahead and click on this simple button, and with one click you will be able to remove that specific post to your bookmarks. Just go ahead and click on them one by one. It's really simple to do, and in no time you will be able to remove all of your bookmarks on X. And so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.